Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Amazon for selling dropshipped products step by step clearly. Begin by creating an Amazon seller account if you don't have one yet. Visit the Amazon Seller Central website and click on Sign Up. Choose between an individual or professional selling plan based on your needs. Complete the registration process by providing your email, business information, and bank account details. Once your account is set up, research potential dropshipping products. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to identify popular products and assess competition. Find reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping services through platforms like AliExpress or Salehu. Verify that the supplier can ship directly to your customers efficiently and at a competitive price. List the chosen products on your Amazon seller account. Ensure you write clear and engaging product descriptions. Include high-quality images to attract potential buyers. Set competitive pricing while considering Amazon's fees and your profit margin. When a customer places an order, purchase the item from your supplier. Provide the supplier with the customer's shipping details for direct shipping. Communicate with customers promptly regarding order status and tracking information. Monitor your inventory levels to avoid overselling products. Use Amazon's advertising tools to promote your listings for increased visibility. Gather customer feedback and reviews to enhance your seller profile. Continuously analyze sales data and trends to optimize your product offerings. Stay updated on Amazon's policies and guidelines to ensure compliance. Adapt your strategy based on market changes and customer preferences. Keep learning about dropshipping best practices to improve your business efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.